Hey dear, thanks for coming by. I just want to thank everyone for their feedback on my last video where I washed my hair and showed you guys my whole process and a couple styles as well. I am actually working on a video right now to show you guys some of the styles in detail, so look out for that in the future. But until then, hopefully this video holds you over. Just gonna be upfront with everyone watching, the coloring process took me 2 hours to apply. Yes, I mean it, 2 complete hours. For those who can complete this faster, I commend you. I took my time since I wanted the best results possible. In addition, I left the hair color on the wig for 5 hours. Of course, you don't have to do that, but I left it on that night because I was tired and wanted to go to sleep. Anyways, if you plan on doing this in the daytime, definitely designate a Saturday or Sunday that you're not gonna do anything all day and get it cracking, because dedicating time and energy gives you the best quality result. Also, don't forget to wear gloves, unless you like looking like a Smurf. The end. In today's video, I'm going to transform this drab wig into something really awesome. This is definitely a DIY for someone with a steady hand though. So if you're up to it, come with me. Hair details and products and all that stuff, it's underneath the video in the description box. Tell me what you guys think about me with blonde hair. Do I look like Gandalf the Grey? Or nah? Forgive me for nerding out, but if you haven't seen Lord of the Rings, you're definitely missing out, bruh. Frodo is a cutie pie. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, hopefully you guys are keeping up with me. I just cut off the excess hair that I didn't want to waste my precious products on. I'm using 2 separate colors. One is a darker emerald color and the other one is a lighter jade color. I'm going to be using the Adore semi-permanent hair dye out of my blue bowl here, and I'm using that color on just the roots. Make sure you get all them little baby hairs on this full lace unit, boys and girls. It was worth every penny I spent spoiling myself with this one. Yes! Anyways, now I'm going in with that jade color and I'm just blending that all the way down to the ends of the hair. I repeat this exact same process over most of the head, not the entire thing. Here I'm just going in with the emerald, that darker blue, and I'm making sure to get those roots saturated. In a moment I'm going to zoom in to show you how I don't mess up the lace while dyeing it at the roots. Takes a little bit of skill, but I have faith in you, so I think you're gonna kick butt when you try this. And as my preference, I'm trying to keep it at 1 inch of dark root. I don't want that dark root to sleep out way too much. That's just my preference though. If you guys want longer, deeper roots, you know, bring that dark blue a little bit further down. So when it comes to the roots, you have to just be really soft with your brush and don't press down against the lace with your brush. I try to hold the hair up vertically and use the brush to brush the hair only. See how I'm holding the hair kind of off of the scalp? That's kind of what saves your life at this point when you're trying to preserve your lace. Now for the next segment of my wig, which is the top portion of my wig, mostly closer to my bang area, I'm leaving the ends undyed and I'm dyeing only the roots. As you see here, I'm going in with my emerald and I'm parting the hair nice and small here, and I'm just adding it to the roots, making sure that hair is sitting up vertically so that dye does not seep into my wig. Well, nobody's perfect, so we're just trying to minimize, you know, spillage. And this is my glamorous mix of colors. They're so gorgeous together. Alright, and this is the end of phase 1. I have dyed the bits that I want to dye, and I left the top piece that I want for my bang area untouched, just the roots. And voila! I've already washed it and blow dried it, guys. This is what my hair looks like. Well, my wig looks like. Just parting it through, showing you guys those roots. They look so delicious. Dark, deep blue roots with lighter ends. Now I'm just trying on my wig to see how it fits on my head, and I'm getting ready to cut it. So I'm using my little hair clip thing to see, you know, just about where on my body I want it to sit. and this helps me gauge where to cut from. Now just peel that wig off and put it on my wig head. I'm just gonna cut where my clips are. So in between my cutting process, I do reapply the wig and reposition my clips so that I can get the perfect shape and cut over time. I did this, I think, 3 times to get the perfect slanted look that sits on my shoulders the way I want it to. And yeah, sure, I could have gotten this result faster if I used, shears, but honestly, scissors are so much more fun. Now all that's left to do is bump and style and slap that thing on. Just using my 1-inch Hot Tools flat iron, and of course some handy dandy heat protectant. Howdy, y'all. Hey, look here, let me show you something. Wanna see the wig? It's staying up, but it's alright. No worry yourself because nobody now see it. Just go on about your business, baby. Yeah, I stained it a little bit, but the show must go on, so let's look at this parting. That scalp is beautiful, though beautiful, too light for me. And my wig head is disgusting, please don't look at it. I am going to use my makeup and, kind of give my roots a little makeover. So it matches my little skin tone. I'm a dark skinned shorty and I'm fine with that. Love it. Bless it. I use cling to secure these edges, y'all, okay? I'll put my application video below if you're curious to check that out. But this is my final application. My edges look fantastic and my hair looks like the ocean. I mean, absolutely beautiful. I want to cry. Just lovely. And the hair is silky smooth too. I just run my fingers. Look at that. Y'all like that? Yeah, me too. Ow. I'm sorry, Cardi. Now let's get sexy. And this is another day when I was doing a fashion show for my nosy ass neighbors when the sun was going down on a beautiful day, and I was like, oh my god, we need footage. This is, natural lighting on the outside of the world, and I love this hair. It's hot, y'all. I'm going outside. I'm melting. Ooh, that's some good light. Yes. Ooh, that's a good light. Don't you want your hair like this? Oh. Hi, Brent. Hi. And because I'm the coolest dork you know, of course I dressed up in cosplay for Otakon 2 weeks ago. It was amazing. I don't know if you guys know this character, but I'm not going to give it away. Tell me in the comments if you do know who I dressed up as when I went out there. The purpose of me even adding these pictures, obviously I'm an anime geek, but I actually dyed this hair all the way blue, guys. It no longer has those pretty streaks because the character I was playing has this Kool-Aid blue kind of hair. Knowing me, I'm probably going to dye it again in the future, a whole nother color. And would you look at that, we've made it to the end. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!